Magandang gabi po sa inyong lahat. Annyeong. Annyeong. Ayun, syempre maraming salamat. Thank you sa AAA and everyone, maraming salamat sa inyo. Enjoy the night and good night.
Daniel Padilla na headline sa Korea matapos daw umano nitong imak ang mga Koreans. Mga ilang netizens dumipensa. Ibinalita ng Korean entertainment website na koreanboo.com na nahaharap sa mga pagpuna si Daniel Padilla dahil sa umano'y pangungutya niya sa mga taga-Korea sa Korean award show na Asia Artist Awards. Mababasa sa titulo ng feature ang popular Filipino actor faces criticism for mocking Koreans at a Korean award show. Sa teaser ay inilagay naman ng koreanboo.com na feelings are mixed on his intentions. At Filipino actor Daniel Padilla is facing mixed reactions and criticism for his recent speech at an award show. Matatandaan na natawa si Daniel makaraang batiin ang audience nang tanggapin ang Fabulous Award mula sa Asian Artist Awards. Anya noon, magandang gabi sa lahat. Anyong, hahaha. Ayun, maraming salamat. Thank you sa AAA. And everyone, maraming salamat sa inyo. Enjoy the night and good night. Anya kamakailan sa kanyang acceptance speech. Narito naman ang ilang komento ng mga netizens. For us Filipino, it's not a big deal. And it's not a form of mocking Koreans. It's just Daniel not know the culture of Korea. Maybe he is not a fan or have any knowledge interest in K-pop. Hehehe, but this is only my opinion. That's definitely not his character. Daniel always has that shy giggle even in interviews. That was not mocking. I think he was only shy. He's not mocking the Koreans. When he said Annyeong, he's not really sure what he wants to say. That's why he gave a short speech only. Maybe he was overwhelmed knowing that he was standing in a big crowd composed of different artists in Asia. I'd say he's not confident giving that speech. Mabait si DJ at marespeto. Kung totoo man yung bali-balita, ibang usapan naman yun. Pero sa issue na ito, hindi naman niya sinadya yun. Nahihiya lang talaga siya siguro kaya napatawa siya. Pero wala siyang intensyong bastusin ang Korean. Hindi naman po niya sinadya yun. Di ba minsan tayo kapag kinakabahan, dinadaan sa tawa.